What's going on, y'all? We back here with another one, guys. We are in Keysby, New Jersey, y'all. We got a little OTR run today. We getting a break from the Dollar Tree, y'all. So it's always good when you get a little break from the Dollar Tree. So can't complain. My bad, y'all. So the weather is horrible today, y'all. Trailer empty, y'all see that? The weather is not good today, guys. Hasn't been really good these past few days anyway, because we have snow, we got all kind of stuff going on. So right now, currently, guys, we are at One Arizona Way in New Jersey, guys. We about to pull up to our door, y'all. As y'all can see, big Arizona out here, y'all already know. Best drink out there in the world. Love me Arizona, especially that mucho mango. So it is what it is, y'all. So we got it back into door 34, guys. We about to get loaded. It's snowing. I don't know how this is gonna go today, but hopefully, you know what I'm saying, we make it to our destination safely. He said door 34. This is our paperwork. Well, this is the instructions. So as y'all can see, we gotta drive down to door 34, which is probably somewhere at the end down there. So we about to head over there, guys. I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit. All right, guys, so we just got into our parking spot, y'all. Hold on, let me turn this off. We just got into our parking spot. As you can see, I had to jump out real quick, and we had to slide the tandems back and put the landing gear down for them to start loading. So we at the Arizona, like I told y'all. Arizona, like I said, mucho mango, that's the best. Arizona, hit me up. I need a free lifetime supply of your products. So anyway, y'all, so it's snowing today, guys. It was medium difficulty getting into this spot. This truck that's pulling out, y'all see here, and it was blocking up my spot. Y'all see I'm directly in front of it. Medium difficulty getting in here, guys. Plus the snow covering up some of the lane. You can't really see the lines, but you know, we adjust and we do what we gotta do. So guys, we're headed to Hawkins, Texas, guys. Never been over there, but I seen on the map that it's a couple towns away from Dallas. So y'all already know, once we done, we definitely hitting that terminal, you know, get what we gotta get, you know, and head up out of here. So going down, I'm gonna take my time. I'm trying to be as careful as possible. The roads are not the best right now. The whole everybody's getting hit with snow right now. We having all of these blizzards and everything. So we literally gonna try to take our time going down. We are not that far from Pennsylvania right now. We're in Keysby, New Jersey. So we're gonna take our time going down there, guys. I was told that once I'm finished loaded, I'm supposed to go in this red thing right here to get my paperwork. They're gonna call me. So we just waiting on that right now, guys. We literally getting loaded up right now. Y'all see my little roller from Dollar Tree sitting in the passenger seat comfy. So we about to get out of here in a few minutes, guys. I'm about to get myself together. We gonna do a full day today, y'all. We're gonna definitely do a full day today, guys, and we are pretty much gonna shut down, hopefully somewhere in Virginia, hopefully. So I get back to y'all in a little bit, guys. They even got like Arizona trucks, man. Them things is fire, y'all. They fire. But anyway, y'all, we about to get ourselves situated for our ride down. I'm gonna catch y'all a little bit when we start making our way. All right, y'all, we are all loaded up and ready to go, guys. We just gotta slide our tandems, y'all. We about to get out of here, guys. We got like 43,000 pound load, man. It's a little heavy load, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but it's not too bad. We can strap that in too. Or what flavor is that? That's a half and half iced tea and lemonade, guys. Y'all already know that one slapped too, but I'm gonna definitely strap this down. It's a little heavy load, nothing crazy, guys. We just gotta really take our time. I like how they set this up in here. This ain't gonna move not one bit. So we're just gonna take our time going down, guys. We gotta get fuel. Our next stop is a fuel stop in Tennessee. Not sure if we're gonna make it there today, but we definitely gonna make it there tomorrow, guys. God willing, the snow stop, y'all, because I don't really like driving in the snow, but today is gonna be a challenge for me. The last time I drove in the snow was I want to say, I think last winter, like when I first started going over the road. I think I got stuck out in Kentucky in a snowstorm. So I think that was the last time, y'all, I drove in some snow. But we definitely gonna strap this down, guys. That's a fact. Can't be out here, can't get caught lacking out here, guys. Gotta strap down that load, y'all. Y'all already know. So yeah, the last time I drove in the snow was Kentucky. I ended up staying in the Loves out there in Kentucky for like about a day and a half or so until the snow calmed down. So hopefully today, I don't think we're gonna get a lot of snow. I think it's just flurries for right now, but I do know that road is slick. So we're gonna strap this load in, y'all. We're gonna get moving. We out of here, Arizona. All right, y'all, so we just got out here to the Welcome Center out here in West Virginia, guys. The snow is crazy. Bad weather today, y'all. Not gonna lie. So roads is real slick. We on a 30 right now, so pretty much we gotta take a break and then get back to driving. Hopefully the snow stops. It's supposed to stop at 3, but so far it's just been off and on, light and heavy. So hopefully it stops soon, y'all. I'm about to go on my 30. I'll get back to y'all soon. What's going on, y'all? So we just got up, getting ourselves ready to go. It's 7:36. As you can see, outside is horrible. Not a lot of recording yesterday done, guys. Gotta get this window cleared off. Not a lot of recording done yesterday, guys. Yesterday was really bad on the road. The snow, it was snowing like crazy, so I couldn't really record as much as I wanted to. I had to really focus on the road and everything, make sure everything is good. But it's cold out here, y'all. Right now it's 7 degrees, y'all. So we made it to Binghamton, Virginia. We not far from the borderline of Tennessee. Yesterday, I mean, when I tell you, like, it was off and on snowing, like, I couldn't even focus while I was driving, to be honest. Like, I couldn't even, focus on nothing. I was just so paranoid from the snow, from sliding, because I did slide a little bit yesterday with all the black ice and everything. So it was just a real mess. It pretty much snowed the whole day, off and on. Some places got snow, some places didn't get snow. You know what I'm saying? But we just drove as slow as possible. I didn't really go that fast. Like, I probably did, most of the time I was doing like 45 or 50. So, I really took my time out here just to make sure, everything's good. I gotta go around on the other side. We need to check that, make sure the kingpin is locked in. Just never know. Yeah, the truck is real dirty, bro. Super dirty. I hate white. Now I definitely gotta keep this one clean. But let me check under here, make sure the kingpin is locked in. Yep, it's locked in. So, whew. Man, my hands is freezing. So literally had to go slow, like I was saying. Like, can't even really be speeding out here, because you just never know. I've seen like close call accidents yesterday, and I was driving for a long time last night. Like, I didn't finish driving until like after 9. So right now we about to head to the nearest fuel stop, because as you can see, guys, we need fuel. We gotta get fuel. We can't go any further without getting fuel. So I think we're about like 13 or 14 hours away from our drop off. Not too sure yet, but we should be close. We definitely close to Tennessee. We're on the opposite side, so when we leave here, we got to go back around. We're on the side going back towards home, because this is this rest area. I know this rest area because it's very big, and no matter what time you come here, you're always gonna get a spot. So I planned my trip to come here last night, so now we just have to go on the opposite side to head to where we gotta go, guys. So we about to hit the road. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the gas station to get fuel. So we just got to White Pine, Tennessee, guys. And we fueling up right now. I ain't gonna stay too long, guys. It's really, really cold out here, y'all. It's like, I don't know, like -3, man. It's crazy, bro. We about to be done fueling up. Got another 800 and something miles to go until we hit our next fuel stop. So not really 100% sure where we're gonna be at by the end of the day, but I do feel like we might most likely be in Tennessee. My bad, y'all. It was so cold, man. My hands was freezing, but we just finished fueling up, guys. Yo, it's so cold, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But we definitely on good timing to go back to head towards our drop off. I think we should be there probably sometime tomorrow. I gotta see what time the delivery is for, because it says, I think I saw midnight, and gotta be real careful with these deliveries on this at midnight, because sometimes these places don't be open. Let's see. We gotta go to the workflow. Okay. Yeah, see here, it says midnight. So I gotta double check with them to see if that midnight time is really accurate, if they're gonna be open, because I don't want to go there and then it's closed and then I can't find a place to pull up and park for the night. So we about to start getting rolling. We gotta cancel out this this stop right here, because we didn't make it to this stop for fuel, so we're gonna cancel that one out. And the next fuel stop is in Arkansas, so we'll probably head to that one, and maybe we'll make it down there today. I'm not even sure, but I'm like frigid right now, guys, like frigid. So let's see. We got 262 miles to that drop off. We're not gonna make it, so it's cool. We're gonna close that out, and then we're gonna get moving. Morning, y'all. We out here in chilly Hazen, Tennessee, guys. Just finished putting some windshield washer fluid in the reservoir, guys. Closing this up right now, but oh, that's not good. We'll have to get that later. I don't got time to bend down and get that right now. But we out here in Hazen, Tennessee, guys. We are 4 hours away from the drop. I'm trying to figure out now if I should go there now early Sunday. They were saying that the deliveries due Monday at midnight, but I really don't want to be traveling out that late, so trying to see if I can get to drop it off a little early today. I'm about to leave now actually to head over to the spot to go and drop it off, but hopefully we could drop it off early. If not, then we'll just have to wait until midnight, guys. I didn't really get to record as much as I wanted to on this trip, y'all, because of the fact that the weather was not good. The roads were bad in certain states and certain cities, so I really had to focus on, you know, just my driving. All right, my bad, y'all. My camera, I don't know, battery died. So as I was saying, guys, the delivery is due on Sunday and Monday at midnight. And I'm trying to see if I could get to drop it off a little bit early today, because I really don't want to have to drop it off at midnight due to the, you know, the weather, the road. The roads is kind of clear now. Just certain places you go, it's like, you know, a little icy or whatever. But I'm trying to just make sure that I can drop it off a little early. If it works out, cool. If it don't work out, it's all right. I'll just wait till midnight and we'll deal with it after that. But I'm about to try my luck going to this place early. We are super early, guys. As you can see, it's 9:39 in the morning and we are 309 miles away. So we pretty much gonna go and try to drop this load off, guys. So we about to get out of here, y'all. Like I was saying before, I didn't get to do a lot of recording, guys. Just the weather, the roads is not good. I just need full focus. So hopefully the load coming back up is a little bit better for you guys. I get to be able to do some more recording, being since that, you know, the roads probably have been cleared up already. So anyway, y'all, we about to get out of here. I'm not sure if I've stayed at this place. I think I have, but they don't really have a restroom here. They got the porta potties right there. So they do have a restroom, but you would have to walk like further back up, like alongside the highway, to go into the entrance for cars. So it's whatever. We still handled our business as normal, as usual. So we about to roll up out of here, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the gym. To the drop-off spot, guys. We are super early, like I told y'all before. We're supposed to be here at midnight. So I'm not sure how things work here. I'm hoping that they let me stay here for a couple hours. If they want me to come back at midnight, I'm hoping they let me stay. But I see trucks parked up in here, so I don't see why not. So they told me to go into the shipping office, which I'm walking to right now. So we good. It's freezing, I'm not gonna lie. I can't even lie. Texas has not been good to me these last few months, man. It's been cold every time I come down here. I be hoping for some warm weather. Can never get no warm weather, man. So hopefully summertime, some warm weather out here. But, like I said, y'all, we about to go in this shipping office. We got the paperwork right here. I don't really see that. So I'll let y'all know what they say. Alright, y'all, so they gave us the green light. We about to get unloaded, y'all. Just making sure ain't nothing leaning over. We got real lucky today because I wasn't expecting them to take this this order so early, but we definitely got lucky, y'all. Everything looked good. We about to get unloaded, y'all. So we got it back into this door 35. Get my straps, y'all. About to get out of here, man. It's freezing. All right, y'all. So we just finished getting unloaded, y'all. This trailer empty. We're done for the day, guys. We are about to head to the terminal in Dallas. My bad, y'all. We about to head to the terminal in Dallas. It was a quick unload, probably like a little over an hour. Not too long, but nothing crazy. So the plan is to go to Dallas. Let me see. That look crazy. Good. All right, that's perfect. We're about to go to Dallas, y'all. And that's where we're gonna be at for the next however long it takes for us to get another load going back home. So we gotta slide the tandems. The truck is filthy, yo. It might rain tomorrow. If not, I'm about to wash this truck. This probably might be the only one of the few times you ever see me washing a truck, because I mean, I'm on the Dollar Tree account. It gets messy. It doesn't even make sense for me to really wash it, but the truck is filthy, man. Like all of that snow and the salt and everything got the truck looking crazy. So we just dropped off, like I said, y'all. I'm tired. I need to get some. I'm starving, man. I didn't even eat yet for the day. But we about to head to the terminal. We're about an hour and 54 minutes away from the terminal, so about to get out of here, guys. We dropped off them Arizona iced teas, so all that's left to do, park up for the night and wait till we get another load. So what's going on, y'all? So we currently at the Pilot next to the terminal down here in Dallas. We got the snow crumb today, y'all. But we already dropped off the trailer. I had to go in Walmart to get some food and some things, a couple things for the journey back home. So that's why I didn't see the trailer, but we got the Pilot over here. Not my favorite Pilot to go to, because just because of this reason. The pump is really slow here, and for whatever reason they have yet to fix it. So right now, after this, we about to head into the terminal, and then we're gonna be spending the night. And then hopefully maybe sometime tomorrow, maybe we might get a load. If not, we might get one Tuesday. So if we don't get one tomorrow, and I know it's supposed to rain, I might end up washing the truck. If it rains, and I'm not gonna wash the truck. But either way, I'm gonna still wash the truck down, because it's just white. It's like pure white. Every time I touch it, the truck is just dirty. Look at my gloves. My gloves are just white. So we're gonna end up washing down the truck and all of that. See how it looks tomorrow morning and all of that. So I'm about to get out of here, guys. I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. What's going on, y'all? So I already know I haven't been recording too much after we dropped off that load and we was at the gas station, but today is the 25th, and we're trying to get a load going back home. We're still at the terminal in Dallas. I was told to pull up to this trailer right here, and after this I'm gonna show y'all this and I'm gonna end the video. But I was literally told to pull up to this trailer right here, y'all. 1 second. And 373-199, and the trailer is being held up. It has no legs. The landing gears are messed up. There's no legs on the trailer, so we're not going to be able to use this trailer. So I'm going to have to send this to them in the office and let them know that this trailer is no good. But I'm about to end the video, y'all. We're gonna pick this back up in the next video, y'all. Hopefully I get some more footage for y'all of us headed back home. I'm not too sure what's gonna happen going back home. It's really slow right now. We're getting a low going back up north, but we're gonna end the video here, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever you guys gotta do. Appreciate y'all for my followers who are already following me. We about to get out of here, y'all. We at the Dallas terminal, guys. Peace.